hyperpigmentation care routine that supports even skin tone. Clearer skin comes from steady habits. I saw it slowly in the mirror. Dark spots after acne, uneven patches in sunlight. I tried quick fixes that promised instant fading. Most left my skin irritated or unchanged. That's when I shifted my approach. From speed to consistency. Hyperpigmentation forms from excess melanin, often triggered by sun exposure or inflammation. Melanin rises when skin senses damage. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, sun protection is the first step in managing dark spots. Research cited by the National Institutes of Health shows ingredients like niacinamide and vitamin C help improve skin tone over time. I built a simple routine that respected my skin. First, daily sunscreen. Broad spectrums SPF 30 or higher. This prevents spots from getting darker. Second, vitamin C serum in the morning. It helps reduce oxidative stress in skin cells and supports a brighter appearance gradually. Third, niacinamide at night. It helps regulate pigment transfer and improves overall skin texture. Fourth, gentle exfoliation twice weekly. Removes dead cells that hold pigment. Not daily to avoid irritation. Fifth, hydration and barrier care. A simple moisturizer keeps skin balanced. This supports natural repair processes. Results vary based on skin type and cause. I also stopped picking at my skin. That habit was making spots worse. Tracking progress helped me stay patient. Photos every month showed real improvement. A study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology highlights gradual treatment as most effective. Not instant fading, but steady renewal. Some products may not suit everyone. Patch testing is always important. Consult a dermatologist before strong treatments. Avoid harsh chemicals without guidance. My skin didn't change overnight, but it became calmer, clearer, and more even. And that felt real and lasting. Start with one simple step today. Like and share if this helped. Your skin improves with patience and care.